7:37 now. Time to focus on business. Our business editor, Mike Eppel, joining us now. Mike, we're talking about a business deal off the top here that's a match made in heaven, as they say.
Yeah, what a deal this morning involving Kraft Foods. It is being bought out in a $40 billion deal, which will see it merged with Heinz. Now, how this all fits together, ketchup and macaroni and cheese, if you want to look at it that way, Kraft, or Heinz, I should say, is owned by 3G Capital and Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway company. Remember 3G? They're the ones who bought out Burger King and then merged that with Tim Hortons last year. It already also owns Anheuser-Busch. So 3G Capital is a private equity firm out of Brazil. They're basically cornering the market on a lot of the four food groups, as I like to call them. But in this case, Kraft Foods, I mean, they make Velveeta cheese, Cool Whip, Oscar Mayer meat products, a number of other things. Just goes down the list of a lot of things you'd see at your grocery store, and you go, why the heck didn't I buy this stock? Because, of course, on this deal, Kraft is up 35% so far in the first minutes of trade this morning. It's being merged with Heinz. Now, the possible problem here from an employment standpoint is the fact that 3G comes in, they buy these companies, and then they streamline, which has in the past seen some plant closures. So we'll be watching for that, exactly how they put these all together and the potential synergies, as they call it, because when they bought Heinz a couple of years back, they closed a plant in Leamington, Ontario, and shifted some of the operations to the United States. Another big mover this morning is Dollarama. Discount retailer seeing huge inroads into the Canadian marketplace and massive earnings growth. They reported a profit today. This is a company, remember, $1 to $3 items. They made $100 million in profit in the fourth quarter. Sales up by more than 15%. They're hiking their dividend. It's a dividend-paying stock, star performer at the TSX. It's up by about 60% over the past year and up to, I believe it's at a record at the start of today's trade. We're also tracking oil today, Ted, because we get the U.S. inventories report a little bit later on this morning. Will they reach a record for the 12th week in a row, or do we finally see a pullback in supply, because they have been shutting down a lot of oil rigs in the United States? Does that finally come in to the marketplace? See how it goes. Ted, back to you.
Yeah, a lot of people watching that indeed, especially here in Calgary. Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely.
Business editor Mike Eppel reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.